Welcome. Today we're going to discuss some aspects of your T-Level Service Portal account. When you log in, this is what your homepage will look like. Here you can request for additional accounts to be created for your provider. It will open up a separate Microsoft form that needs to be completed for each team member you wish to create. There is also a link to the T-Level Resource Hub on our website that has additional supporting materials for your qualification and a PDF user guide available for download. At the bottom, you will find the details for the quality team if you have any further questions or queries. On the left-hand side, you will see a tab called Submissions. In here, if you leave everything blank and search Submissions, it will bring up all the folders that are allocated to your account. At the top, you will find the qualification folders. This is where any reports relevant to the qualification will be uploaded by the quality team. As a T-level lead or an exam lead, you will have additional folders for the ESP, the post-result service, and the occupational specialism. The post-result service is where the candidate scripts will be uploaded once the results have been released. The ESP folders and the occupational specialism folders are where you will find the live assessment material ready for delivery. If you click into the red writing, and then on the grey banner you'll see the word evidence. If you click into here, it will show you any evidence or any reports that have been uploaded. To download, you just click on the red writing. If you have any further questions or queries, please do not hesitate to contact the quality team.